Welcome to Film It with Mr. Filmer at DSI Technologies. We are going to do a brief summary of the overview of Outlook and its functionalities. One of the main things you obviously will have to click on is open your Outlook itself, which generally is in this lower taskbar or in your actual programs list. So one of the things that I do recommend for inbox organization is to create different folders for different people, different subjects, or different departments. You can pretty much get as granular as you want. One of the options that I do, for example, is, so in my inbox, this is my general inbox. On the left-hand side, if you simply right-click on the inbox portion of it, you'll see here it says copy, new folder. There's some few other things you can do, but if you want to create a new folder, you simply would click on create new folder. You would name it, so we'll say it's test, and there you go. Now, the emails that come into the inbox are not automatically going to go to the test folder if the rules aren't set up, but we will get to that in another video of setting up rules. You can also continue this folder creation, and I have actually done it right here with Dell. As you can see, there's Dell, which is under my inbox as well, then Daniel, then order shipped, and you can continue on if you'd like to completely organize it in whichever fashion you'd like. One of the other options you can do is if you have a group of people, let's say all staff, then you can create groups here. And again, simply right click on it and go to new groups. You will type the name of the group. And for example, we'll say all employees. And as you can see, the all employees at dsiadmin.com will populate there. Now, you can put a description in here, you can put sensitivity, privacy options, but this is the general functionality of it. Then you'll just simply click create, and that email address is then created. So right here is now where you would go and add the actual members. So we'll say we'll add myself right here. And you continue to add as many people in here as you want based on their email address, and then you would simply click add members. Once you click on add members, you will see down here, it'll say all employees. And in the all employees folder, this inbox here, because this is also an inbox. So if you send out an all employees email, the actual emails will go to that one folder. So it's a way to organize multiple different departments, as well as a mass email, so you don't have to email each individual person or put each individual email within the Outlook toolbar.